Okay, so in this tutorial, we'll go over different things regarding logging into the website, a little bit of introduction on the front end of the website and the back end of the website. So, this is what you'd see first when you go to the website, heathersorganichair.com. This is what your customers would see as well. This is the front end of the website. Everybody has access to the front end of the website. However, you as the shop manager will have access to the back end of the website as well, which will allow you to process orders, change the status of orders, notify customers when the orders have been shipped, adding new products for sale, modifying existing products for sale, changing prices, and so on and so forth. So the first thing to do here would be logging in. So on the very top orange bar, if you follow my mouse, you'll see the login option. So if you click on login, you would enter your username and your password that was provided to you by Full Web Solutions, and then you would click on login. And once you log in, you will notice an additional black bar at the very top of the website. This one over here. This will only be visible to you and nobody else. So it shows you that you've logged in as a shop manager. You can do various things after you log in. So first things first, we'll go to the back end of the website. Again, this what's visible to your customers is your front end. To go to the back end, you're going to take your mouse on the top black bar where it says Heather's Organic Hair and click on Dashboard. So once you click on Dashboard, that takes you to the back end of the website. So nobody sees this except for yourself. Uh, it may look overwhelming in the beginning, but there's only a few items you need to focus on. So it's not too bad. Uh, Full Web Solutions is always available to provide you any future support should you need any help. But this video tutorial should cover everything you need to know. So again, this is your back end of the website. On the very left are different menus. You can see things like posts, portfolio, media, pages. Uh, for the most part, you'll be using the products link where you'll be adding products and looking at all the products that are already on and modifying the products from there. You'll mainly also use things like different comments or different settings for your e-commerce store. So without getting into a lot of details in this video, we'll end this tutorial here. This basically was just to introduce you to the front end and back end of the website after logging in. So once you've done using your back end of the website, make sure you log out. So to log out, you just go on the top right where it says Howdy Shop Manager, and you just click on logout. And once you click on logout, that should be it. That should log you out. So we'll end the tutorial here and watch the next tutorial for more uh, instructions on how to manage the website. Thank you.